Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Well, today I wanted to make a video and show you how I make char cloth, but more importantly I wanted to show you how to search somebody's channel, go through all of their videos and just pick out the ones that you like and just scan through and watch those only. Today we have this red maple. And I notice by looking up the trunk of it, there's been lots of dead branches that has fallen off of it over the years. And here's one that has plenty of punk wood on it. To make the best charred punk wood, you really need to start off with the best punk wood. And so I'm going to take some chunks of punk wood off of this. Now, the best punk wood is also spongy. You squeeze down on it and it springs back. So let me try to get some off of this and we'll carry on from there. Alright, here's one of the better pieces that I got out of that red maple. And like I said, it should be spongy. Squeeze it together and it springs back out. Now I won't say that all of it that I have over here is as good as this piece, but you want to try to get as many spongy ones as you can. So to continue on with searching people's channels and watching all their videos, the way that I used to do it was I'd start going down through their videos, I'd click on one and watch it, then I'd come back and hit the back button, click on the back button and go back and watch it. Well, that's good until you get down 3 or 4 pages into their catalog. Then when you hit the back button, you have to start all the way at the beginning again. Come all the way down, go through each page and try to find where you left off before. What I've started doing is something I didn't know about till recently, and that's when I go through, let's say somebody has 300 videos like me. I go ahead and start going down through them, and when I find a video that I like, I right click on it, and the box will come up and say open in a new tab, and that's what I click on. So then it goes up here just under the address bar and puts a new tab up there, and sometimes I'll have as many as 20 tabs up there from where I've gone through every single one in a person's catalog first, chose the ones that I want, and then I can go back and just click on each tab separately and watch which videos that I want. So I'm recommending that you do that on my channel also, because it doesn't take long to go. I've got 290 videos. It doesn't take that long to go through 290 titles, see which ones interest you, just store them all up in new tabs, and then go back through them and watch them. So I just wanted to pass that tip along to you. Let's go ahead and cook up our punk wood. Make some of the best charred punk wood you ever had. Got some char cloth right here. Here's a good edge right here. Let's try it. And in this bright sun, many times you can't tell that you got ignition. But we do have ignition. Let's see if you can see my stove where it's at. I can't even see it. Yeah. Alright, I go ahead and get my fire built up, and I turn you back on when I get ready to set this into the flames. You don't ever want to set your char cloth or charred punk wood down in the coals. You always want the can to be in the flames. I'll turn you back on when we get a little bit farther along. This is just a green bean can that I cut down to size, and I'm using the lid right here for my char tin. I'll put that link to that video where I made this char tin right up here. Alright, now before long you'll see a lot of smoke coming out of here, and sometimes that smoke will ignite too. Either one is fine. When it stops smoking or the flame stops coming out of it, it's done. Let it cool off and then pull it out and give it a try. Let me give you a better view of those ignited gases burning on top of that. Pretty cool. So eventually the smoke or the flames, either one, will stop, and that's when you know that the char cloth is charred punk wood is done. All right, let's take it out and cover it up. Now you have to cover this up because there's a lot of air space all the way around this lid. And if any oxygen gets to it right now, it'll burn up. So you have to let it cool off. We'll be trying it out here in just a second. All right, there it is. Little pieces of charred punk wood, but they get the job done. They should get the job done for me. Let's put another batch on. All right, let's see if we can get these ignited here. Two of them. Let's see if they work. All right, got a few good pieces out of that first batch. too bad. All right, y'all. I want to encourage you to go back through my videos now and check out all the ones that I have. I'm sure that there's many videos that would interest you. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.